Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So today's video I will be doing is just hairstyles, different hairstyles for short hair. I know it can also work maybe with medium hair, long hair, but I know for sure short hair right now. Hopefully one of these hairstyles is for you, for whoever just wanna, you know, go for a look or whatever. So let's get started. Okay. So first look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair into half. What you're gonna do is grab a hairband, whatever hairband you like. So what you guys wanna do is split your hair in half, leave some front parts up front, and grab the rest of your hair. If you like, you want to show off your ears, go ahead, show them off. If you don't like showing off your ears, it can be like this, however you guys want. You want to grab your hair like a ponytail. And of course, for now, it feels so tight. So what I like to do is loosen my hair up. So you have it right here. So now I'm gonna use these two black bands, split my hair in half. So now what you want to do is just grab a hair, grab one side, doesn't matter how. Again, same similar look. Now what you want to do is grab kind of a half. Grab some hair out for ones you want. If you don't like no hair on your face, you can just pull that back. Pull that extra hair out. It could be like this, right? Go down like this, or you can just watch. Oh, it's actually cute. Oh. Oh. Or what you want to do is fell, but I mean, hold on. This will be a better look. Watch, this will be so much easier. So I guess this could be a look, girl. I mean, it's a mess or whatever, but it's still cute, right? Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up because I gotta go to the store and get some things. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope to see you guys next time. Thank you guys. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. She said this hairstyle looks like a panda to her. It's cute though, no? She says it's cute, so girls, wear it. Yeet! I guess. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Deuces.